Welcome to you all in my YouTube channel Experience Mathematics. In this video, I am going to teach you how to find out integration. In previous video, I taught how to find out derivative. So with the help of derivative, we can find out integration as well. Okay, so before starting integration, I will write some formula of the derivative, and with the help of the formula of the derivative I will teach you how to find out integration, and I will also explain what is integration. So let's review the formula of derivative. D over dx of x power n equals to x n x n minus 1, and similarly derivative of dx of constant c is 0, where c is any constant, and a derivative of log x. So here log x or ln x, it is same thing. While writing, if base is not mentioned, we should understand that its base is e, so its derivative is 1 over x, and in this way a few formula of derivatives I have written here. And derivative of trigonometric function sin x is cos x, and derivative of cos x is minus sin x, and derivative of tan x is sec square x. So these are a few formula of derivatives. My aim is to teach derivatives to the students of class 11 we are recently joined, and they need some concept of derivatives to learn physics and to solve the problems in physical chemistry. So I have not given much formula of derivative. And derivative using the formula of derivative, if you know the formula of derivative, that will help you to learn antiderivative, because antiderivative is the reverse process of the differentiation. Derivative is also called differentiation. The reverse process of differentiation is the antiderivative or integration. So here this is derivative of log x, that is 1 over x. So from 1 over x, how we can find out log x, that is the integration. From cos x, how we can find out sin x, that process is the integration or antiderivative. And from this, by which method we can get x, that is the antiderivative. So from the answer of the derivative, if we can get the question of the derivative, then that is the antiderivative. So now I will define antiderivative. Let A be a continuous, I have written in short, CUNT stands for continuous function defined on the open interval AB, then we say that f is antiderivative of f if the derivative of f is f on the interval AB. So let f be the continuous, CONT stands for continuous function defined on open interval AB. Then we say that capital F is antiderivative of small f if the derivative of this capital F is f on the interval AB, on the open interval AB. That is dfx over dx equals to fx. Here derivative of this capital Fx is small fx, then we say that antiderivative of this fx is capital Fx, and antiderivative is also called integration. Okay, so this integration gives us the sum of the small area bounded by the curve y equal to fx and x-axis. So the symbol for integration is s, because it gives sum. So starting letter of sum s in elongated form is used to denote integration or antiderivative. Antiderivative is also called integration. And we write integration of fx with respect to x equals to capital X, and we read this like this. It is the integration of fx with respect to x is capital Fx, and we can also write here fx plus constant as well. This also we can write, or only fx we can write, because its derivative is also, because derivative of constant is 0. So this is d fx over dx plus dc over dx. It is 0. So to write this fx only or constant, it doesn't make any difference, because derivative of constant is 0. From this also you will get d over dx of fx. So you can only write capital Fx, or capital Fx plus constant can also be written. So this is the symbol for integration, elongated type of s. Integration of fx with respect to x is capital Fx plus constant. So this gives you the concept of the antiderivative. And now I will represent this antiderivative in graph, and I will tell what antiderivative gives us. Here simple meaning, I have said that it is the reverse process of the differentiation. So from the derivative answer, if you have to get question, then we can use this antiderivative. And now I will tell what the geometrical meaning of this antiderivative in simple way. Okay, not in proving way in detail, but in simple way. Origin x-axis, y-axis. Suppose there is the curve y equals to fx, and this is x-axis, and then here let us, if you divide this into small rectangles, and then their here its width will be dx, width along x-axis, width of this rectangle, or breadth also we can call, and this y equals to fx at the end. Then this height is represented by fx, and here fx times dx, it is fx is just like length of the rectangle, and dx is the breadth of the rectangle. So just like our formula of the area of rectangle, area of rectangle formula is L times B. So in place of L we have dx, sorry, in place of L we have fx, and in place of B we have dx. So this fx dx, integration of fx dx, integration means it is sum of such rectangles. So this gives us the area between the curve y equal to fx x-axis, between here, if the initial point is x equals to a, and this final point is x equals to b, then it gives the area between x equals to a to b. So this is definite integral. So before this, if I have not written limit, then that was the indefinite integral, and this is the definite integral. Definite integral gives us the area bounded by the curve y equal to fx x-axis between the interval between x equals to a and x equals to b. So this is the simple geometrical illustration of the integration. So to understand physics, you need not go in much depth. Okay, you must have simple concept of integration, that will be enough. So I am not going in much detail about this. And now I'm going to write the formula of integration, simple formula of integration. Xn dx. So what is the formula for this indefinite integral xn dx? Here no lower limit and upper limit is written, so it is called indefinite integral. Its formula is x n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus constant, where n is not equal to minus 1. Okay, this is the formula for the integration of xn dx. And similarly, next formula for integration is 1 over x dx. Its integration is log x plus constant log x. It is also written as ln x. Here, if base is not given, then we should understand that its base is e. But in calculator, if only log is written, then we should understand that its base is 10. But in book, if log is written and if base is not given, we should understand that its base is e. Okay, so you can also write this as ln x plus constant. So ln x plus c or log x plus c, that is same thing. So its formula is log x plus c or ln x plus c. A third number. So if you write integration of dx only, your integration of dx only means here nothing means it is 1 here. Here nothing means there is 1 dx. And to change this in this form, this 1 you can write x power 0 dx, and if we use this formula, then it becomes x power 0 plus 1 over 0 plus 1 plus constant. So this will be simply x plus constant. So integration of dx is x plus constant. And for number, integration of sin x dx is minus cos x plus constant. And 5 number, integration of cos x with respect to x, that is sin x plus constant. So these are the simple formula of integration which will prepare you for learning the calculations in physics, especially in thermodynamics, and also in the calculation of the chemistry, physical chemistry. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful to everybody. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon so that I will be present with the similar type of videos in the days to come. Thank you very much.